There's a very popular business saying that goes, riches are in the niches. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you basically the manifestation of this saying. And you're gonna find it pretty goofy if you don't really understand this niche, but keep your mind open because I'm telling you, there is so much that we can learn from this. And it's such an incredible example that I just had to share it with you guys. Now, we're going to begin by going over their marketing strategy because as much as the product is extremely essential in the niche and market, how you market it is also very essential. For example, at my media buying agency, we have a pretty famous case study on how we almost tripled a business's revenue just by running meta ads. Like that's all we did. We didn't really change anything with the business. It was the same product and everything. And we were able to do that in just 3 months. So it's extremely powerful to have the right marketing strategy. Now, the store, as you see here, is called Uniqueso. And what they sell is cosplay apparel. So different cosplay things, like, for example, contacts, wigs, more contacts, more wigs, just things of that nature for people who are into cosplaying, right? So if you don't know what cosplaying is, it's basically dressing up as your favorite characters, right? So this is very prevalent in the anime scene. As you see, all these are different animes. Cyberpunk Edge Runners, that's a really good one. My Dress Up Darling, that's a good one. There's a lot of different animes. There's like an infinite amount, and there's always new ones coming out. So a brand like this is actually quite genius, right? It's actually going to be able to continuously produce new products based on the newest trends. So very, very brilliant niche idea. And their method of fulfillment is actually drop shipping. If we take a look at some of their shipping options here, they're very long. And it makes sense because these are very unique products. You can't really find these anywhere. And that makes it so that customers basically are willing to wait. What's also great about a niche like this is that it's very, very visual. So on social media, they can post some of the people that buy their products and use them and repost them on their feed, which is perfect user-generated content, and actually get really good engagement, as you see. Like some of these have, for example, 19,000 likes. That's incredible, and that's fully organic, right? Another thing to mention, since it is so visual, Pinterest is a great place to post about this. So they're posting all of their content on Pinterest and driving a decent amount of traffic. But the main way they're driving traffic, it's no surprise, it's through meta ads. Again, a lot of people don't believe in meta ads anymore for some reason, but that's fine by me because if you don't know how meta works, it's an auction system. The less people advertise on meta, the better. If you want to believe that meta ads don't work for whatever reason, that's totally fine by me. But I will say meta ads are the most sophisticated and advanced paid media platforms in the world. It's even better than Google, in my opinion, because on Google, it's not nearly as visual. On Meta, it's entirely visual. And, we're visual creatures. Let's be honest here. Now, real quick, I need to mention this to you. If you don't know about the Akemi Lab, you need to know about it, okay? This is one of my companies. It's a research community, incubator, course, mastermind. We do a bi-weekly call in the group, and we're always dropping some incredible ideas for you, and also providing you with all the support and resources to actually make these ideas happen. So that's why I mention it as an incubator. There's so many incredible business ideas in here as well. If you have nothing that you think about, we have AI resources. We have so many different things that will benefit you. And it's really only the beginning. So I highly suggest that you join. It's currently lifetime access that you get. In the future, it will be a yearly subscription, just like how a university would be, but with basically 1/100th of the price, which is insane to think about. Just had to mention that real quick because I'm super proud of this product and business as a whole. It's really a passion project. I really want to disrupt education. I really believe education is due for a whole reform, and this is us doing our part in that. So check that out in the description if you're interested, but let's continue with the video. So anyways, as you see here, they're doing a lot of different stuff when it comes to their meta ads, but one of their biggest ways to market this stuff is by being super expressive. As you see, like very big, bold colors, very, big sales, super anime kind of vibe. And it just makes it super congruent with the actual brand. This is something we talk about a lot lately. I see that as a big mistake that people make is not thinking about the congruence of their ad and landing page. Really try to keep it simple. Like that's as simple as it has to be, is a clean ad and a clean landing page that makes sense together. If you do those things, you may have more success than otherwise. Now, I actually think they could be doing so much better when it comes to their meta ads. I think this is not even that good, to be honest. Like they could have so many more ads, so many of, for example, the content that they're posting on Instagram should be ran on Meta. And if anybody from this brand is watching this, please hit me up. I'll give you a super good deal because I know we can scale this to over $1 million a month. And right now, through my sources, I see that they're doing about 500 to 600K a month, which is still super incredible given how they've set up the business. But again, this could be much, much bigger just with a few simple tweaks in their marketing strategy. So just to summarize everything, this is an incredible example of a dropshipping brand. So a brand first, that's actually how you should treat this, right? Build a brand first and foremost. You can use dropshipping to facilitate your supply chain, especially at the beginning if you're just starting your business. It's definitely a great thing to do. But long term, I do think they could do better by actually fulfilling their products in a better way with better branding, with faster shipping. I do think it would benefit them a lot. But even without that, I think just by having a better marketing strategy, they could do better. But still, the second thing we learned here is being omnipresent, posting all of your content that you're getting, user-generated content on Pinterest if it makes sense to do so. Visual brands, make sure you're posting your customers on your feed if it makes sense, right? That's how they're getting a ton of engagement. And then lastly, make sure that your meta ads are congruent with your landing pages, with your website, and just think about who's actually going to be buying this stuff, right? And try to really appeal to them. You can use AI to help you out maybe with some ideas. And that's really about it. Make sure you check out the resources in the description, the Lab Mastermind. Again, that's lifetime access that you get for that. In the future, it will be a yearly subscription. So it's an incredible thing right now. And of course, use the Shopify $1 a month link in the description. That's also an insane deal. So many amazing resources that you get just by watching this channel and participating. But yeah, that's about it. See you in the next video. Peace.